Hi, my name is Simon, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about the arthritis strategy before actually buying the program. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about the arthritis strategy is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because this program is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is the arthritis strategy, and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, the arthritis strategy works. The Arthritis Strategy Step-by-Step strategy is a 21-day online program that claims to treat all types of arthritis with natural methods. It helps users recover the troubling joints by including healthy habits and diet. The joints become fully functional and enable you to move freely without experiencing any pain. This arthritis strategy effectively alleviates arthritis symptoms regardless of age or gender. Arthritis is the allergic reaction of the body to a certain food in your diet. As such, the Arthritis Step strategy is more about change in the diet and lifestyle to reduce arthritis flare-ups. The regimen includes anti-inflammatory ingredients that are entirely natural and safe to use. These elements relieve joint pain and combat all forms of arthritis, including rheumatoid arthritis, naturally and efficiently. The creator of the program is Shelley Manning. She once suffered from arthritis and knew exactly how it could cripple life. Instead of opting for conventional treatment options, she discovered an organic way to defeat arthritis. With this program, Shelley has helped in treating hundreds of individuals with different kinds of pain by addressing the underlying causes through natural methods. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with the arthritis strategy, and you can have results as well. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test the arthritis strategy for 60 full days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give your money back. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy the arthritis strategy, and also, if you do buy the product, enjoy all the wealth of information, take it seriously. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that the arthritis strategy helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this program promotes.